turning fear into action. Join me as I take on the challenge of turning my biggest fears into my greatest strengths. And let's be real, there's a lot to be fearful about these days, both personally and globally. The world feels chaotic, the future uncertain. But that's exactly why this is so important. Fear, it's an emotion that can either paralyze us or propel us forward. Like you, I've been there, stuck in that cycle of what-ifs and anxieties. Fear of failure, rejection, the unknown. They can keep us playing small. But what if we could flip the script? When fear takes over, we miss out. We settle for less, we stay silent when we should speak up. And right now, that silence has consequences. The political climate is tense, the stakes are high. Our fears, if left unchecked, can contribute to apathy and disengagement, exactly what those in power who seek to divide us want. But here's the powerful truth. Fear is also an indicator. It shows us what we care about most. So when you feel that knot in your stomach about the election, about injustice, about the future, that's your signal to act. That's your call to civic duty. Acknowledge and identify. Name your fears. Is it fear for your children's future? Fear of losing your rights? Write it down. Shining a light on it diminishes its power. Break it down. The world's problems feel huge, but what's one thing you can do? Research candidates, volunteer, donate, have those tough conversations. Focus on the present. Don't get lost in what-ifs. What can you do today? That one phone call, that one email, that one conversation, those are victories. Celebrate wins. Did you overcome your anxiety to attend that rally? Did you finally speak up about an issue you care about? Celebrate it. Those small wins build courage for bigger battles. Think of historical figures who faced immense fear but acted anyway. Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., they didn't let fear stop them. They channeled it into a force for change. We can do the same. Remember that story of the boy afraid of water? He didn't let fear win. He learned to swim. Right now, we're all learning to swim in the choppy waters of politics. It's scary, but we can do it. We must. Fear is not the enemy. Apathy is. So turn that fear into fuel. Comment below with one action you'll take this week. Share this video. Let's show the world that we won't be silenced by fear. We will be empowered by it.